I'm going to show you how to complete lesson number 1 for this week, March 8th. If you have any questions or need help, please contact me. My information is here at the top. First, you will complete an Edpuzzle video, then you will do a vocabulary review, then a compare and contrast, and lastly, an optional extension. It is the rating. You can find our objective here on the left side. For the first step, watch this Edpuzzle video about fire management and fire suppression. Click on the link depending on which block you are part of in my class. For step 2, you will add this word, fire suppression, into your vocabulary tracker. Again, select the option for your block. For step 3, you will look at these images and answer the questions below. Question 1, look at both images and list some similarities. Question 2, list some differences. Question 3, which one do you think underwent prescribed burns? And question 4, which one do you think underwent fire suppression? For step 4, go ahead and read the optional extension article, highlight 3 pieces of information, underline 2 words you don't know, and bold at least one thing that confuses you. Don't forget to check your work and tell me how long this lesson took you. And finally, click Turn In on Google Classroom.